Welcome everyone to another video. Today in this video I like to share you guys iPhone 12 Pro Max full details camera review. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, start the video. iPhone 12 Pro Max comes with bigger camera sensor in the 12 series. So iPhone 12 Pro Max comes with quad camera setup, 12 megapixel 26mm wide with 1.6 aperture, 12 megapixel 26mm telephoto lens with 2.2 aperture, 12 megapixel 13mm ultra wide with 2.4 aperture, and last one 3D laser sensor for depth sensor. So let's see some photo and video sample. iPhone 12 Pro Max you can record highest 4K 30fps video, and you also record 1080, 30, 60 and 120 fps and 240 fps slow-mo video, and you also record ultra wide video. I am already testing ultra wide and day and night 4K video on iPhone 12 Pro Max. Link in the video description and below, and go there and watch this video. By the way, iPhone 12 Pro Max you can take raw photo. So we also know that raw photo is very important for the photographer. So you can now take a raw photo with your iPhone. You can take a very good photo with very good details because this phone using the biggest sensor. And this is the photo sample. Talk about the night mode. iPhone 12 Pro Max you can take a better night mode more than iPhone 11 Pro Max because this year iPhone using bigger sensor to take a better night mode. And I am already compare iPhone 12 Pro Max night mode and without night mode. Video link in the video description and below. Go there and watch this video. So let's move on the main video. So let's move on the selfie camera. iPhone 12 Pro Max comes with dual selfie camera, 12 megapixel 23mm wide with 2.2 aperture and SL 3D for depth sensor. Selfie camera you can record highest 4K 30fps video, and you also record 120 fps slow-mo video. By the way, iPhone 12 Pro Max full details review coming very soon, so subscribe right now and press the bell icon. Okay, this is all about iPhone 12 Pro Max details camera review. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you next time in the video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S. Allah Hafiz.